Is your car's AC struggling to keep you cool on scorching hot days? Have you ever cranked it up to full blast only to feel warm or barely cool air blowing out? You're not alone. Many drivers unknowingly make simple mistakes that prevent their AC from working at its best. But don't worry, we've got you covered. When you get into your car on a hot summer day, turn on the air conditioning, and then realize that it is only pushing out warm air. There is nothing more frustrating than that. What should you do if the air conditioning in your car isn't as chilly as it should be? Don't freak out. If you want to make the air conditioning in your car cooler right away, you should attempt these easy do-it-yourself tactics before you go to the mechanic and spend a fortune on repairs. We will cover simple measures that you may follow in this video to bring your air conditioner back to running at its full performance, which will allow you to remain cool and comfortable even on the warmest days there are. To inspect and replace the cabin air filter. A cabin air filter that is unclean or clogged can impede airflow, which in turn reduces the efficiency of your air conditioner. A gradual accumulation of dust, grit, and debris in the filter over time will result in a reduction in the amount of cold air that is able to enter your cabin. The effectiveness of your air conditioner can be immediately improved by performing a simple and affordable repair that involves replacing the cabin air filter. The cabin air filter should be replaced every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or as directed by the owner's handbook for your vehicle, whichever comes first. Make sure the air conditioning vents are clean. Dust and debris can accumulate in the vents of your air conditioner over time, which can limit airflow and make your air conditioner feel less powerful. The effectiveness of the cooling system can be significantly improved by cleaning the vents. Use the recirculation mode. Before you turn on the air conditioner, you should first roll down the windows for a minute after starting your vehicle. This will allow the hot air to escape. After the first heat has been removed, convert your air conditioner to the recirculation mode. In this way, hot air from the outside is prevented from entering your vehicle, and your air conditioner is able to cool the air that is already inside your vehicle, resulting in a more efficient operation of the system. Make sure the refrigerant is checked and refilled. Low amounts of refrigerant are one of the primary reasons why your air conditioner is not chilling as it should. The heat that is generated within your vehicle is absorbed by the refrigerant, which is either R134A or R1234YF, depending on the model of your vehicle. How to recharge the refrigerant in your air conditioner? Check the pressure. Obtain an air conditioning recharge kit that includes a pressure gauge. The addition of an excessive amount of refrigerant has the potential to cause damage to the system. Contact a trained expert if you are unsure about something. Park your vehicle wisely to maintain a cool temperature. The less heat that accumulates inside your vehicle, the simpler it will be for your air conditioner to bring the temperature down. Different parking solutions can have a significant impact. Please park in the shade whenever it is possible to do so. For protection from the sun's rays, a sunshade should be placed on the windshield. Tint your windows to lessen the amount of heat that is absorbed by them. In order to allow heat to escape when the vehicle is parked, the windows should be slightly cracked. Check the air conditioning compressor. If you have an air conditioning system, the compressor is the most important component. In the event that it is malfunctioning, your air conditioner will not function effectively. When you switch on the air conditioner, pay attention to any sounds that are out of the ordinary. Sounds like grinding or rattling could be an indication of a problem. How to do it? Start the vehicle and adjust the air conditioning set to the coldest setting. Open the hood and check to see if the clutch on the air conditioning compressor is engaged. In the event that it does not, you might have a broken compressor or a poor supply of refrigerant. It is common for a failed compressor to require professional repair. Therefore, if you feel that there may be a problem, you should have it seen by a mechanic. Wash the air conditioning condenser. Heat is released by the air conditioning condenser, which is located in front of the radiator in your vehicle. The air conditioner will not be able to cool as effectively if it becomes blocked with dirt, leaves, or other debris. In order to clean the condenser, you should. To begin, open the hood and look for the condenser, which is a metal grill that is located in front of the radiator. In order to clear dirt and debris, you can either use compressed air or a hose. Avoid utilizing water with a high pressure because it has the potential to deform the fins. Search for any obvious signs of damage or leaks. Check for leaks in the air conditioning system. Leaks in the air conditioning system can cause the levels of refrigerant to drop, which can result in inadequate cooling. If you have reason to suspect that there is a leak, try the following steps. Use a leak detection kit for air conditioners that contains UV dye. Investigate the connections of the hoses for any oil spots or residue. Hissing sounds, which could be an indication of a leak, should be listened for. Do not immediately use the maximum air conditioning. If you are starting your car for the first time, you should avoid utilizing the max AC setting immediately away. Instead, begin by rolling down the windows for a moment and then begin with the standard air conditioning setting. Switch to the maximum air conditioning setting once the initial heat has been removed. This prevents the system from working too hard and speeds up the cooling process for the vehicle. Replace worn-out air conditioning belts. The compressor in your air conditioning system obtains its power from belts. The compressor will not function effectively if the belts are worn or loose, which will result in a reduction in the coolant's overall performance. How to check the belts of an air conditioner. Locate the air conditioning belt by opening the hood. Check for any indications of wear, such as cracks or looseness. If the belt is worn out, replace it in order to restore the efficiency of the air conditioner. Ensure that the cooling system of your vehicle is in good condition. The air conditioning system and the engine cooling system of your vehicle function together. Your air conditioning system will not operate correctly if the engine is overheated. By flushing the coolant on a regular basis, you can ensure that your cooling system remains in good shape. Utilize an air conditioning booster. Consider using an air conditioner performance booster if you want to improve the efficiency of your air conditioner even further. These additives help improve the efficiency of the refrigerant and can rapidly reduce the temperature of your air conditioner. There is no reason to put up with a bad air conditioner in your automobile. By implementing these straightforward do-it-yourself recommendations, you will be able to immediately enhance the operation of your vehicle's air conditioning system and maintain your coolness even when the temperature is high. By following these simple actions, you will be able to enhance the cooling power of your air conditioner. These steps include cleaning the condenser, recharging the refrigerant, and replacing the cabin air filter. In the event that these fixes do not result in your air conditioner reaching the desired level of coldness, it may be necessary to have a professional inspect it. Maintaining your air conditioner on a regular basis is essential to ensuring that it remains in good working order and that you are able to travel in comfort. Did these suggestions prove to be helpful? Leave a comment below and let us know. Also, don't forget to pass along this tip to other motorists who are interested in maintaining the icy temperature of their air conditioner. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more easy car hacks and maintenance tips. Stay cool and drive safe.